How many million mornings has the sun risen over this hillside? How many seeds have gained purchase in the warming earth? Roots reaching deep to tap the soil. Trunks and branches extending upwards towards the clouds. Each tree a part of nature's miraculous bounty. None more significant than the other, with one exception.
We chose to do the billionth tree here on the McLeod Tree Farm because it's our oldest continuous operating property for our client. We bought this property in August of 1991 for our first client. It's been our client since 1985, and we're really proud that this iconic property is the place where this billionth tree sits, right here at the foothills of Mount Shasta. Because this is beyond one tree, and the symbolic nature of the tree, again, is about our history and stewardship ethic that spans the globe through our history and involved stakeholders, employees, and contractors.
This event was indeed beyond one tree, but it can be traced back to one idea, that stewardship is good business.
1985 was a seminal year in this convergence of the environmental movement and the free enterprise system, because in that year, the Hancock Timber Resource Group was founded and the Conservation Fund was founded. And together we protected tens of thousands of acres of land, all of it working forest, all of it on the tax rolls with the public interest values protected. But importantly, those lands are still in private ownership. They're still being harvested, and the jobs and the tax base are intact so that the people and the communities who depend on those forests can thrive.
For over 30 years, clients who trusted that a well-managed forest was an intelligent place to plant their funds have thrived as well, reaping the rewards generated by the commitment of the Hancock Timber Resource Group to live up to that trust and hold all of their operations to the highest standards.
Their continuous certification speaks volumes. It's not an easy feat, and they do a great job. And that really gives a stamp of approval that makes sure that Hancock has measures in place to protect biodiversity and water quality and wildlife habitat and species of concern. And it also provides Hancock with the assurance that they can tell their investors and their clients and their customers that they're doing the right thing for today's forests that they own, but also the forests of tomorrow as well.
The billionth tree planted by the Hancock Timber Resource Group is dedicated to our associates, stakeholders, business partners, and future generations, based on our foundational principle that good stewardship is good business.